been looking over computer models, and at this point I do think we are going to see a good chance of more rain. I do not think that we're going to see enough come all at the same time to exacerbate the flooding situation. Of course, we did deal with quite a bit of it earlier. Right now, though, it's all quiet. In fact, skies are clear. You can see the nearly full moon out there. 74 degrees outside. Our high made it to 79, and 2.57 inches of rain fell today. That is the most in a single day in Austin since all the way back on August 22nd of 2022. It's been over a year. The only warning that remains is for minor flooding along the Llano River. It's the secondary crest. It crested earlier this morning at 12.5 feet. Now we're looking at a crest about 10.4 in minor flood stage. So this is much lower than what we've already seen. But just a heads up, if you're in an area that has already flooded because of this morning in the Llano River Basin, you might see some issues. Otherwise, things are really starting to improve. Now, one thing that we're still waiting on word is the Caldwell County tornado that touched down just around 8 o'clock this morning. National Weather Service is set to go out and survey the damage, and they will provide us a rating so we'll know exactly how strong it was. We'll pass that along to you once we get it. All's quiet on radar here. The nearest showers and thunderstorms quickly dissipating to the east, and that's that boundary that we'd been following. But very heavy rain, certainly evidenced out toward Llano County, some spots picking up over 8 inches. Likewise for Milam County near Cameron, over 8 inches. Another swath here on the east side of Round Rock toward Taylor, about a half a foot. And even farther to the south, pockets of heavy rain. We're all going to recover. There are still about 19 roads closed per atxfloods.com, so just keep that in mind. But in general, the axis of heaviest rain is pushing off toward the east, and we should see a quieter day ahead. That said, there will be pop-up showers and storms. And also, coming attraction, that Arctic air is on the way. It's not going to get here till Sunday. We're going to start Sunday around 81 degrees, and then we're going to fall into the 40s. So if you like it warm the next few days, warm and muggy, cold front comes through Monday, just 47. Tuesday, I have up to the high temperature to 53. I do think it'll be dry for trick-or-treating, but it's also going to be awfully chilly, all things considered. So for tomorrow, 60% chance of showers and isolated storms. We stay dry through most of the night. Then as we head through the daytime hours tomorrow, it really doesn't look like a lot, but we will see hit and miss showers here or there. Some of you may pick up a quick half an inch, maybe an inch of rain, but as mentioned, I don't think it's going to be enough to tip the scales to more significant flooding. So we'll look ahead to the big temperature change. Sunday's the day. You walk outside 1 minute, it's 81. The next, a couple hours later, it may be in the 50s and coat worthy.